Tracking the coronavirus in the Kansas City metro area tonight. The daily average of new cases is now at 238. The average of daily new hospitalizations is 83. Both of those numbers are up from a week ago. The percentage of tests that are coming back positive in both Kansas and Missouri is relatively steady, but both are well above the national average of around 5%. Doctors say this is one of the best ways that we can track the spread of the coronavirus. And Kansas is rolling out a unified testing strategy to coordinate public and private testing. The announcement comes as the state reports a 7th-day record for the new coronavirus cases at more than 2,000. Governor Laura Kelly says the plan moving forward is to increase routine testing in places where there is a high risk of spread, places like nursing homes, prisons, and schools. It'll include people with and without symptoms and people who have been exposed.
Together, with the use of masks and recommended social distancing, we can better contain the virus, and Kansas schools and businesses can reopen responsibly.
Governor Kelly says that she will release more details on the unified testing strategy in the weeks to come. And President Donald Trump plans to deploy 150 million rapid COVID tests in the coming weeks. 100 million will go to states and territories. The rest will be used specifically for vulnerable communities like assisted living facilities and tribal communities. The president says that the tests will return results in 15 minutes.
No machine is required to process them. So in the old days when we just started this, you remember we'd go out and we'd have to find these massive laboratories with tremendously expensive equipment. Now we're down to something that you'll see that is really from a different planet.
More than 7 million people have tested positive for the coronavirus in the U.S. More than 200,000 have died. And the U.S. is now averaging 40,000 new cases a day. There is a plan for 120 million rapid COVID-19 tests to be available to low and middle income countries. The World Health Organization just made that announcement today. However, the plan is not yet fully funded. Experts say that the tests are generally considered less accurate, though much faster. Data shows high-income countries are currently doing 292 tests per day per 100,000 people, while the lowest income countries are conducting 14 per 100,000 people. In Jackson County, Missouri, $5 million will be distributed to K-12 education to districts to assist with reopening needs amid the pandemic. The county legislature unanimously approved the use of this money from the Federal CARES Act. The money is split up based on enrollment and poverty. Each district will decide how those funds are going to be used. They could use it for things like enhanced wireless internet services, improved education technology, mental health services, COVID-19 testing, and even for nutrition programs. Well, tonight out in Lawrence, the school board is meeting virtually to talk about moving into a hybrid learning model. Right now, all students are learning remotely, and they'll continue to do that until at least October 16th. The hybrid model will have students attend school in person 2 days a week and then continue remote learning for the other 3 days. If the board approves this move, it would go into effect October 19th. Now, at last check, board members are still discussing this plan. We are watching live in this school board meeting right now. It's been going on for at least 4 hours now. We have our team behind the scenes here at Channel 9 watching, monitoring this meeting. We'll let you know the updates as soon as we get them. As always, you can find your district's reopening plans at KMBC.com.